Hi, I'm Jack Chapman. This is a 3-minute video to accompany a 30-minute video on More Done, More Fun, how to conquer the paper pileup. If you look around here, we have a desk. It's a pretty typical desk nowadays. We were promised with electronic media to have a paperless society. Turns out we actually grind out more paper now than we ever have. And it can tend to pile up, and then you can't find the things you need to do your work. So the half-hour training on More Done, More Fun, which you can listen to, gives you everything. This gives you some visuals to hang the hat on with those instructions. Here's the 7 things you'll need to be able to manage so that you only touch a piece of paper once, so that everything is vertical, and so that everything's vertical, and so that things are put in the proper place. Papers that you have go into 3 categories. Either they're current, active, I call that awake, or they're current but not too active, I call that napping, or there are things that you don't have any immediate need for and probably won't for a while, but you don't want to get rid of, and that's called dormant. In order to take care of the things that are active, you need a cascading desktop manila folder holder, and in order to handle the things that are napping, you need either a little file cabinet near your desk, or many desks have a file cabinet built in there, and this would be the second file cabinet you need. And then the third, you need a cabinet that's either far away or a place that you would know that you can put things, you don't need to look at them very much. In order to put the files in there, we want you to get a number of these manila folders. They will go in here for things that are active. They'll go in there for things that are inactive and napping. And each time you put them in a container, you always put them in a folder. You never stack folders horizontally. Everything goes vertically, and they fit in there like that. In addition to the folders and the hanging folders and the filing cabinets, you want to have a number of post-it notes, because this can just save a little time and money on the manila folders that we're going to create. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to just take a little survey of this desk, and I'm going to do principle number 1, and then we're going to handle 3 or 4 items, and then show you in elapsed time how this really does not take a lot of time, but gives you a lot of time. Number 1, here's some magazines and books. Magazines and books are not pieces of paper. They are magazines and books. They're reading material. They're going to go into a box or on a shelf or something like that. They're not material for your desk. If you need it, you can go reach it someplace. So we will get rid of those, and then we'll come back and we'll show you the papers that are left and what we're going to do. So turn this off while we